Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust for noobs. Your first moments in Rust are crucial for survival. Immediately gather wood and stone from trees and rocks around you. Use these raw materials to craft a stone pickaxe and hatchet, which will significantly speed up your resource collection. Next, find a safe spot to build a small, secure starter base. This will offer protection from the harsh environment and other players, giving you a vital foothold in the game world. Efficient resource management is key to progressing in Rust. Focus on collecting components such as metal fragments, cloth, and low-grade fuel, as these are vital for crafting. Familiarize yourself with basic recipes for tools, weapons, and armor. A workbench is essential for unlocking more advanced crafting options and improving your gear. Always keep an eye on your inventory, ensuring you have enough space for valuable loot and essential supplies. A strong base is your sanctuary in Rust. Start with a small, defensible structure and gradually expand it. Upgrade your building materials from wood to stone and eventually to metal to increase its durability against attacks. Strategic placement of external walls, turrets, and traps can significantly deter potential raiders. Remember to regularly repair any damaged structures to maintain your base's integrity and protect your valuable loot. Player interaction is a core element of Rust, ranging from uneasy truces to intense firefights. Be prepared for anything. Some players are friendly, while others are hostile. Practice your aiming and movement to gain an advantage in combat situations. Understand the strengths and weaknesses of various weapon types, from bows to assault rifles, and use environmental cover to your advantage during engagements. Always be vigilant and ready to defend yourself or your base.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.